Hi guys! Get ready with me because I'm going to make my makeup look for today's video. So first, gagamit lang po ako ng sunscreen. Sunscreen from Murada. Sunscreen 60 SPF, PA+++, UV and UVB protection. So apply mo lang siya sa iyong mukha tulad ng ginagawa ko. And then i-blend mo lang siya. So you will see the difference with and without sunscreen. Na-apply ko lang siya sa aking buong mukha at sa aking neck. And then we're going to blend hanggang sa maayos yung sunscreen sa iyong mukha. And here's the outcome. For my eyebrow, I'm going to use Bayfree Cosmetic Thickening Eyebrow Gel Mascara. So first, sinuklay ko lang yung aking buhok ng pagsuklay ng kilay. And then, you're going to put mascara on your eyebrow. So, susuklayin mo lang siya, sundan mo lang yung pattern ng iyong kilay para ma-achieve mo yung kilay na gusto mo. And here is the outcome. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to use Saludent in the shade STO1. So, ganyan po yung packaging niya. So, yan po yung Saludent na lipstick. Meron na po siyang lipstick and pang shine ng lips. Opaque, di ba? Ang ganda ng shades. Bagay ito sa lahat ng skin tone. Mapamorena or maputi ka man. After ko siyang nilagyan ng lipstick, pinatuyo ko lang siya ng mga 20 seconds and right after, ninagyan ko na siya ng pang-glossy para magandang tignan. And here now the outcome. And for my eyelashes, I'm going to use O2O Instant Oversized Volume Lightening Fiber Mascara. So, ganyan po yung kanyang packaging and ito po yung product. So, first, you're going to curl your eyelashes. And right after, lalagyan ko lang ng mascara yung up and down na eyelashes ng aking mata. Waterproof na din po tong mascara na to. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to use Swakey from O2O eyeliner. Yung eyeliner okay naman, pero hindi siya ganon ka-waterproof. And here's now the final touch of our simple, fresh makeup. So, noon pag inaantay nyo guys, check out na sa Yellow Basket.